Hi, welcome to Payza Bangladesh video tutorial. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to add your Payza buttons to your website. So the first thing first, you go to Payza Bangladesh and you click on login. You enter your email address and your password and you log in. Once you log in, you find yourself in the dashboard. So if you want to add a button, you click on business, payment buttons, and once here you have to verify your account. Before adding buttons, you have to submit your website for review. As you can see here, you can see in progress or completed, and then you can create buttons. So to create buttons, just click on create buttons. Okay, now you can create buy now buttons. You can create donation buttons, and you can create subscriptions buttons. So for this example, we're just going to create buy now buttons. So you click on add. Okay, so here's where we can create our buy now buttons. So first we have to select the item type that we are selling. Is it goods, auction goods, or service? So for example, we want to let's say if we have an electronics store like this and we want to sell this product, so we want to add this information in our button. So we name our product. So for example, is this Sony Alpha digital camera for this example. So we enter the description. Okay, now item code, you can enter a number for your item for your own reference. So for our own example, we're just going to use the number from here. Okay. Now you can select the type of button, the buy now buttons you want. So you click here and then you have different design you can select. So for our example, we're just going to go with the let's say this one, and we select the currency. For this example, we're going to go with the US dollar. We enter the amount. So here, for example, is 698 US dollar. 698. So if we have a shipping and handling, or if it's a free shipping, we just skip this. There's no additional charge. There is no discount. For this example, we're not going to use any taxes. Now, so for the return URL, this is really where do you want to send them after they complete their purchase. So, and here, where do you want to send them if they cancel their purchase? So once we go through this, I'm just going to use this for the sake of this example here. Okay, so you just update to create our button. Now in this phase, we want to integrate the script we created for our button in our website. So we can use the hosted option, which means that once they click on the button, they go to Payza checkout page and then they check out from there. Or we can go with the in-page checkout, where they stay on your own website to complete the checkout. So for this example and this video tutorial, we'll go with the first option. So you click here, and here is the HTML code for this button here. Okay, so now the next step is to integrate this button to your website. So first thing you need to do is to copy your code for the button. So next you go to your HTML tool and you go to the script of the page. So for our example, as I said, you want to sell this camera and put it on our website. This is just an example of a HTML page where you want to sell the the product. So as you can see, we want to replace this picture. We want to put the right description, the right price, and have the right button. So next step is, as I said, to take the copy, to go to your HTML, and then to paste the code exactly where you want to place your button. So for our case, I'm going to paste it here. Okay, now I'm just going to change the information, the image on our HTML. So it's really basically putting the right images in the right place. So as you can see, it's really working on your HTML file to enter the correct information about the product you want to sell, and to just copy and paste the code and place it on your site. So I'm just going to change the price here. So as I said, this is our page, and we want to actually sell this product. So what I was doing, I was just copying and pasting the script of the button, which goes here, and then the information about our product on our HTML page. So once we do that, so remember, this is the page where we had our product. Now once we update our HTML page, so I'm just going to update this page, and as you can see, we've changed the image, description to the Sony, and the price. So when your customer click on the Payza button, they are redirected to the Payza checkout, where they can see a summary of their purchase. They can see the product and the price. Now if they are a Payza member, they can enter their email address, their password, and click continue to process the purchase. If they are not a member, they can join Payza by clicking on join Payza. They enter the information, click continue, and then complete their purchase. Thanks for watching Payza Bangladesh video tutorial that shows you how to add Payza button to your website.